Hey everyone, welcome back to Talk Walk English, the fun and easy way to learn English. I'm Bella.
And I'm Jimmy. Hello, friends. So glad you're hanging out with us today.
It feels great to be back, truly. We've got a super practical topic lined up.
We do indeed. Something you can use when speaking English every single day.
Exactly. Today we're diving into simple English phrases for everyday life.
Yes, those tiny phrases that are so helpful.
But before we jump in, Jimmy, what should everyone do first?
If you enjoy our podcast, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps a lot.
It really does. And tap that like, give us a thumbs up, and share this episode with your friends, your family, anyone learning English.
Perfect. Now, everyday phrases. Why focus on phrases instead of single words?
Great point. Words are useful. Coffee is a great word.
Yes, coffee might be my favorite word.
But coffee alone isn't a full sentence.
Right. If I walk into a cafe and just say, coffee, that's not very polite.
No. But if you use a phrase like, "Can I have a coffee, please?" That's much better. It's polite and clear.
Phrases are like groups of words, little chunks.
Chunks, I love that. It's easier to remember a single chunk.
Yes, you're not thinking word 1, word 2, word 3.
You just think of the phrase. Okay, let's learn some chunks. Where do we begin?
Start of the day, the morning.
Yes. What do you say to someone in the morning?
Good morning.
Good morning. Friendly and polite.
What about after 12 o'clock, in the afternoon?
Then we say good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And later in the evening,
Good evening.
good evening. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
What about good night? Ooh, that one's different.
Yes. How is it different?
Good night is for when you're going to bed.
Exactly. It's a goodbye phrase. You say it to your family before sleeping.
Not a hello phrase.
Right. You don't walk into a restaurant at 8 p.m. and say good night.
No, you'd say good evening.
Okay, so we've said hello. What usually comes next?
The classic, how are you?
Yes, how are you? And the traditional answer, I'm fine, thank you. And you?
We all learned that at school. Is it a good answer?
It's perfectly polite, but we've got other options too.
Like?
I'm good, thanks.
I say that a lot.
Me too.
Or, I'm great, when you're feeling really happy.
I'm great.
What if I'm just okay?
You can say, I'm okay, or not bad.
Not bad, yes. It basically means I'm fine. What if I'm very tired?
Be honest. You can say, I'm tired.
How are you? I'm tired. That's a real answer.
All right, greetings covered. How about polite words?
Ah, the magic words. What's magic word number 1?
Thank you. So important when someone helps you. Thank you.
When someone hands you something, thank you. Or shorter, thanks.
Thanks. And what's the reply to thank you? What do you say back?
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Here's your coffee. Thank you. You're welcome. What about no problem?
Yes, no problem is very common. It sounds friendly.
Thanks. No problem. I like that one.
Next magic word?
Please.
Please. This word changes everything. It softens your request and makes it polite.
One coffee is fine. One coffee, please, is much better.
Can I help me, please?
Can you tell me where the bathroom, please?
It's a small word, but it makes a big difference.
Now, 2 tricky ones.
Ooh,
We use sorry when we make a mistake.
a mistake.
I bump into you, I step on your foot, I say, oh, I'm sorry.
Or I'm late to a meeting. I'm sorry I'm late.
Exactly. It's an apology.
So what about excuse me?
Different purpose. We use it to get someone's attention.
Like I'm in a new city and need help.
Yes, you want to ask a question. Excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me, where's the train station?
Perfect. You get their attention politely.
Another use, when you need to pass someone. If someone is blocking your way in a train or a shop,
You say, excuse me,
and they move.
usually. So, sorry is for a mistake. Excuse me is for attention. Crystal clear. Thank you, Jimmy.
You're welcome.
See?
Yes. Okay, let's head to a cafe. I love cafes.
Me too. Let's role play. I'm the barista. You're the customer.
Fun. Okay.
Hello. What can I get for you?
Hello. I would like a latte, please.
I would like. That's a perfect phrase, Jimmy.
Why is that?
It's very polite. Better than I want. I want can sound too strong. Like a kid. I want a cookie.
Exactly. But I would like a cookie is polite. And we can shorten it. I'd like.
Yes. I'd like a latte, please.
What about can I have?
Also perfect. Can I have a latte, please?
Great. Back to the role play. You said, I'd like a latte, please.
Yes.
Anything else?
Can I have a chocolate cookie, too?
Of course. That'll be $6.
Okay. Here you are.
Here you are. Another great phrase.
Yes. When you hand something to someone, I give you the coffee. Here you are. You give me the money. Here you are. Very useful.
Wow. A cafe is excellent practice.
Yes. I'd like. Can I have? Please. Thank you. Here you are. So many good phrases.
Let's try a new situation. What if you're lost in a new city?
Oh, that can be stressful.
You'll need to ask for directions.
First, I find someone and say, excuse me.
Yes, excuse me, I'm lost. Can you help me, please?
That's a great opening.
Now I need the bank. What do I ask?
Where is the bank? Where is a fantastic starter.
Where's the bathroom? Where is the museum?
Where is the bus stop?
Exactly. Where is super important. But what if the person answers too fast?
Like, oh, the bank is on the left next to the big red building, 3 blocks. Stop. I don't understand.
Yes, this happens.
So what can I say?
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
I don't understand. It's okay to say that.
It's important to be honest.
I don't understand. Or ask, can you speak slowly, please?
Slowly is the key word. Can you speak slowly, please? Most people will understand and help.
Great. Where is and I don't understand. Very, very useful.
Let's talk about saying yes and no.
Yes and no. Easy.
They are, but there are other ways to agree. I ask, do you like pizza?
Yes, I do.
Do you like English?
Of course.
Of course. I love that. It's a strong, happy yes.
What about I think so?
Good one. When do we use it?
When you're not 100% sure. Is the post office open today?
I think so.
It means I'm 90% sure.
Exactly. A maybe yes.
Okay. How do we say no politely?
Do you want more coffee?
No, thank you.
Very polite. The thank you matters.
What if I ask, do you like waking up at 5 a.m.?
No, I don't.
Or not really?
Not really is nice. A softer no.
Do you like horror movies?
Not really.
Softer than just no. This is great. Now, what if we share the same opinion?
I say, I like ice cream.
Me too.
Yes, me too means I also like it.
I love this song.
Me too.
I'm hungry.
Me too.
And the no version?
I say, I don't like spiders.
Me neither.
Me neither, that's the one. It means I also do not like spiders.
I don't understand this movie.
Me neither.
I can't speak French.
Me neither.
Wow, me too and me neither. Super useful.
Totally. You'll use them in conversation all the time.
Okay, we've had a long day and learned a lot. Time to head home.
Yes. How do we say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Or simply bye?
I like see you later.
See you later. Or see you soon.
What about Friday at the end of the week? Have a good weekend.
I love that. Have a good weekend.
Me too. And the reply?
You too.
Yes, have a good weekend. Thanks, you too.
And have a nice day works anytime.
That's a lovely one. The barista at the cafe says it. Here is your coffee. Have a nice day.
And you say, thank you. You too.
You too is such a handy little phrase.
It really is.
Wow, my brain is packed with phrases.
It was a lot, but every single one is useful.
Let's do a lightning fast review.
Great idea. Greetings.
Good morning. How are you?
Polite words.
Thank you. You're welcome. Please.
The two tricky ones.
I'm sorry for a mistake and excuse me to get attention.
At a cafe.
I would like, or can I have?
Asking for help.
Where is, and I don't understand.
Agreeing and disagreeing.
Of course. I think so.
Not really.
When you feel the same.
Me too. And me neither.
And for goodbyes.
See you later. Have a nice day. You too.
Fantastic. That's a powerful list for everyday life.
I feel ready to go out and speak English.
That's the goal.
All right, I think that's all the time we've got for today.
It is, and that was so much fun.
Thank you so much for listening to Talk Walk English. We hope you picked up lots of new phrases.
Yes, and remember to subscribe so you don't miss the next episode.
And share this podcast with your friends. Sharing is caring.
It truly is. For today's comment, this one's easy.
What is it?
What's your favorite English phrase?
Ooh, good one. Is it me too? Is it of course?
Or maybe it's, I would like a coffee, please.
That's a classic. Tell us in the comments. We love reading them.
We really do. Until next time, keep practicing and keep smiling.
Bye, everyone.